Welcome. From nuclear physics. In this lecture, we have to see what is the nuclear force. Friends, we know that there are different fundamental forces. First is a gravitational force. The gravitational force is a force of attraction between two particles. That is, every particles of matter attract every other particles of matter, and that there is a force of attraction, and that force is a gravitational force. There is also electrostatic force. This is a force of attraction or repulsion between two charged particles. Third force is a weak nuclear force. We know that there is a weak nuclear force, and due to which there is an emission of a alpha particle, beta particle, and gamma radiation. There is also strong nuclear force. So our fourth force is a strong nuclear force. This is a force of attraction between the nucleons, that is proton and neutron. So the force is in between proton proton, proton neutron, and neutron neutron. This force is a nuclear force or strong nuclear force. So in this lecture we have to see what is this strong nuclear force. We know that the binding energy per nucleon is constant, or average binding energy per nucleon is about 8 mega electron volt per nucleon. But if we consider in case of the binding energy of an electron with the nucleus, so it is very small. Binding energy of an electron with the nucleus is very small, and therefore the binding energy of a nucleons is very greater than the binding energy of electron with a nucleus. Hence we can say that the nuclear force is millions of times stronger than the electrostatic force. Now, there are different properties of this nuclear force. First property, this force is a short range force. Second property is this force is a very strong force. Third property, this force is a charge independent force. Fourth property is this force, that is a nuclear force, shows saturation. And fifth property, the nuclear force is non-central force. So we have to see all these properties one by one. First property, this force is a short range force. So nuclear force is short range force. Okay? Nuclear force is a short range force. We know that the nuclear force is a force in between proton proton, proton neutron, and a neutron neutron. And all these protons and neutrons, that is the nucleons, present in a nucleus. The size of a nucleus or the radius of a nucleus is about 10 raised to minus 15 meter, and therefore this force is applicable, nuclear force is applicable only in nucleus, that is in a range 10 raised to minus 15 meter, that is radius of a nucleus. Therefore, we can say that nuclear force is a short range force. Second property, nuclear force is charge independent. Okay, nuclear force is charge independent. We know that the charge on proton is a positive charge, the neutrons are chargeless. But if we consider the force between the proton, that is a positive charge protons and positive charge proton, so it is a repulsive force. Okay, if we consider the force between the protons and neutrons, then we cannot predict which type of this. But the nuclear force is a charge independent. If we consider the charge of protons, then the nucleus must be fly out, but this is not happen, and therefore this force is a strong attractive force. This force is always attractive force and charge independent force. This force is not depend on charge of a nucleons, that is proton and neutron. So second is a nuclear force is a charge independent force. Third property is the nuclear force is always attractive force. There is no repulsion, or simply we can say that the nuclear force is a strong attractive force. Okay, nuclear force is strong attractive force. Again, there are four fundamental forces. First is the gravitational force, second is the electrostatic force, third is a weak nuclear force, and fourth is a strong nuclear force. Nuclear force is a strong attractive force. This is a strong force. This is the strongest force in all these fundamental force. Okay, so fourth property is third property is a nuclear force is a strong attractive force. Fourth property, nuclear force shows saturation. Okay, nuclear force shows saturation. Okay, this force, nuclear force, is applicable only in a nucleus. That is, it is applicable with a distance is about 10 raised to minus 15 meter. This force is a short range force. This force cannot be attract the charge particle, okay, beyond the nucleus. Okay, and therefore this force shows a saturation. This property is known as a saturation property. So nuclear force shows saturation property, or nuclear force shows saturation. Fifth property of a nuclear force, nuclear force is a non-central force. Okay? Nuclear force is non-central force. Okay? Nuclear force is non-central force. The gravitational force and electrostatic force, these forces are a central force, while the nuclear force is a non-central force, because this force is not beyond the radii. Okay, so therefore this force, nuclear force, is a non-central force. So this is related to fifth nuclear fifth properties or 5 properties of a nuclear force. First property is a nuclear force is a short range force. It is applicable only within the nucleus. Okay, it's about 10 raised to minus 15 meter, that is the radius of the nucleus. Second, nuclear force is a charge independent force. We know that the charge on proton is a positive. Nuclear force is a force in between the proton-neutron and neutron-neutron. If we consider the charge of this proton, then due to the positive charge, the nucleus will be fly out. But this is not happen. Therefore, we can say that the nuclear force is a charge independent force. Nuclear force is a strong attractive force. Nuclear force is the strongest force in the all 4 fundamental force, that is the gravitational force, then the electrostatic force, and a weak nuclear force. This is the strongest force. Nuclear force shows saturation. It is applicable within only the radius of the nucleus. Then the fifth property is nuclear force is non-central force. We know that the gravitational force and electrostatic force, these forces are the central force, while the nuclear force is a non-central force. So this is related to the properties of a nuclear force. In next lecture, we have to see what is the meson theory of a nuclear force. Thank you.